Hey guys, here in this video I'm gonna explain you what is coding in only 2 minutes. So now let's begin. What is coding? Coding is the process of using a particular programming language to give instructions to the computer to perform what we want from them. Every line of code that you tells the computer to do something, and a document which is full of code lines of code is known as script. And every script is designed to carry out a job. It is the way that humans communicate with the computers and machines, which gives us the power to create different types of software like mobile apps, operating systems, and programs. Coding is the way which makes possible for us to make apps and computers, sorry, not computers, computer software and websites. Okay, so now that computers are more amazing than we think, but yet they can think like us. Computers needed people to give them instruction like we get from our parents and teachers. Coding is nothing different like you think. Coding is the list of instruction that gets computer to do what you want them to do. Who writes the code behind everything that we see and do on computers? We call them coders. Now I am going to tell you the advantages of coding. When you learn to code, it helps you to develop lots of skill in you such as problem solving, logical thinking, and more. By learning the codes, it encourages you to be creators of different types of things. You can get a better job in a better company in the field of computer science by writing the codes. By the way, your answer will be amazing to the channel, guys. Nowadays, we all have seen the craze for learning codes. Did you know the supply of coders around the globe is so low, and choosing the coding career is not a bad idea? Big tech giant companies like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft pays annually 125,000 US dollars per annually to their employees. Okay, so this was my first video from my playlist named CS by Hemant, and if you are new here on my channel, then do one thing: press the subscribe button and its side bell icon to not miss any update from the channel. And my name is Hemant, and I'm gonna catch you in my next one.